Adventure is out there, and today is the second day of our Hawaiian journey. Follow along as we try some of the local food, explore the north side of the island of Kauai, and check into the hotel that we stay in for the remainder of our time on the island of Kauai. We stayed 5 nights at the Hilton Garden Inn Kauai Wailua Bay on the east side of the island. The Hilton Garden Inn was about 15 minutes from the airport. There is really only one road that travels along about 75% of the coastline. So this location was great because we could easily travel to the North Shore or the South Shore on the island from here. This Hilton Garden Inn was a beachfront hotel and had great views of the ocean. We spent every morning sitting on the beach with a cup of coffee watching the sunrise. The hotel had on-site restaurants, a hot tub, and a pool with a poolside bar that had great ocean views as well. The poolside bar is called Mamahune's, and this bar was tiki themed. This was a fun place to hang out at the end of the day. On our second day in Kauai, we decided to stop at the Olympic Cafe for breakfast. We were still adjusting to the time difference, and we arrived here just as they were opening. The Olympic Cafe had a lot of really good reviews, so we decided to try this place out for that reason, and I would return here again. Our breakfast here was very good. I ordered a glass of orange juice and a Hawaiian sweetbread French toast for breakfast, and we've got a side of papaya as well. Jesse's looks really good. He ordered the kimchi fried rice with its eggs over easy on it. Mm-hmm. Looks really good.
Don't forget the bog juice.
Oh, and Jesse got bog juice, which is really delicious tasting. I've tried it too. In the early afternoon, we traveled to the north shore of Kauai. Our first stop was checking out the Maniniholo dry cave. We parked across the street from the cave. And the cave stretched back about 150 feet or so. There was a beach across the way from the cave, so we decided to check out the beach for a little bit. The waves were pretty strong on the beach this day, so we did not get in the water here, but we did have a good time.
Oh my gosh, you're covered. Your feet? What? Your feet are covered.
I know.
You got us.
Our next stop was the Hanalei Bay area. Here we checked out the Hanalei Pier, and we also had some fun on the beach.
Pretty cool.
Having fun?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Me too. This was one of our favorite beaches to visit. We came back here a few days later and had the best sunny weather. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. We're stopping over at JoJo's Shave Ice. We're on the North Shore right now at Hanalei. They have quite a few different shave ices you can choose from.
Here it comes. Locals North Shore. Ooh, the
Looks delicious.
Malona.
Pineapple.
What's that last flavor in there?
I didn't know how to pronounce it.
Didn't know how to pronounce it. What is
I
it?
didn't know what it was.
What is it?
We'll look back later and see what it is.
Alright. And macadamia nut ice cream. Looks good.
We can just.
It's so good. Now it's getting to be like a float. All that flavor on there.
Yeah.
Tropical breeze.
We liked the first one so much, we came back and we decided to get a second one.
Came back. We never got up.
We got back in line and
Yeah.
got a second one, I should say.
Tropical breeze. Alright, let's get it.
On our way back to the east side of the island, we came across a beautiful lookout along the road. I'm happy we decided to stop here. The views were breathtaking. For dinner that evening, we decided to stop at Kenji Burger. We are over at Kenji on Kauai, and tonight for dinner I have the Kapaa Burger, and I got an order of fries. Jesse got a sushi burrito.
It's a rainbow roll. And then you got furikake fries.
Do you remember what was in your sushi?
Yeah, it's salmon, tuna, avocado. It's got some sriracha, aioli, some other stuff on there.
Okay. And then mine has like a pineapple slaw on the burger, and the beef is 100% Kauai beef, so beef from this island.
And some Japanese barbecue sauce.
Yeah, Japanese barbecue sauce on there too.
Alright, give it a go. Gone. I said mine's gone. Yeah.
This concludes day 2 in Hawaii. Keep a lookout for some of our other fun Hawaii adventure vlogs. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss our videos. I hope you join me on my next journey, but until then, keep exploring.